Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review KetoGo. KetoGo is a platform where you can like use their services, and after you can asking some kind of details regarding your goals, and they will prepare a customized diet plan, customize your exercise. They will provide you each and everything related to your BMI, okay, body mass index. Okay, so you should use this platform or not. Does their treatment or does their services really worthy or not? Okay, so basically in today's time there are hundreds, we can say like thousands of app available in the market, and these kind of apps provide same kind of details, but the you can say like the review, or you can say like the results it depends on person to person, and the results will take lots of time. And you have to you can like follow these kind of apps at least for 6 months or more than 6 months, then you can achieve some kind of results. Okay, and the diet and each and everything they have provided. Some of the diets are very expensive, and some of the you can like things are very expensive, and they also have some kind of subscription plans. When you use these kind of services, you have to pay their subscription fee also. So each and everything, like after making a proper conclusion, we can say that treatment and the services are expensive. Okay, and you have to follow these kind of treatment of a long period of time, so you have to invest lots of money. So according to my research, according to my things, we can say definitely like you should not try this kind of platform, because you can see lots of reviews are negative, and lots of reviews are complaining like the subscription is not worthy, the platform is not too good. But the thing is like each and every one experience is different. So what you can do, you can visit on the Trustpilot profile and you can check out negative reviews, why they are getting negative reviews. So you can see there each and every negative review, then you can make a proper conclusion you should buy any service or not. Okay, so this is the you can like information related to this KetoGo app. Now if you have any experience, please share your thoughts in our comment box. Your comment is a real review. Okay, so bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.